Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to verify a seller's identity on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then tap on the listing to open it, to open the details. And the first thing that you need to check is a feedback score of the seller. And to do that, you need to click username of the seller, and here you can see the score. So this seller has 98.5% positive feedback, and of course if this number is high, close to 100% positive feedback, then it means that this seller is reliable. But if this number is low or there is no history, that's of course a warning sign. What else? Scroll through the detailed seller feedbacks, look at the recent feedback from the other buyers, review some photos, review item quality and communication with the seller. And what else? If the seller is offering very expensive items, check if they accept secure payment methods like PayPal or Apple Pay, because secure payments give you more protection if something goes wrong. And finally, be cautious if the seller tries to move the conversation or transaction outside the eBay application, and if they ask you to email them directly or pay off site, it's better to walk away from the seller, because legit sellers always stick to eBay's platform. So that's how you can verify a seller's identity on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.